grab the wing and Tom Cruise it over here if he had to. But sadly, Kelly arrived at the White House with just the Miami club promoter clothes on his back and a pocket full of excuses.
Can President Bukele weigh in on this? Do you plan to return him?
How can I, as a marvelous terrorist to the United States? I don't have the power to return him to the United States.
Yeah. Can I honestly tell you, like, this isn't even like, the thing that's, like, they're enjoying this. Like, the two of them. Our president, their president, okay, I guess we just have to let him rock. Even though he didn't deserve to be here. I don't, you guys don't care about this guy. I'm talking about these two, but somebody else cares about this person. And you just randomly, with no evidence that you'll show anybody, call them a terrorist. And one of the weirder parts about this is the only thing that seems to upset Trump about the entire situation is having to answer a perfectly reasonable question from Caitlin Collins about it.
You said that if the Supreme Court said someone needed to be returned, that you would abide by that. You said that on Air Force One just a few days ago. And they said that it must be facilitated.
Why don't you just say, isn't it wonderful that we're keeping criminals out of our country? Why can't you just say that? Why, over and over, and that's why nobody watches you anymore?
You sound just like the Supreme Court. But fear not, America. For every time a lamestream media journalist gets shown, an ass-kissing one gets its wings.
You have a question, please? Thank you so much. You swore about it being very fascinating things for me in the registered bill. Aiper Seagull Pro here, the first time ever, right here in the United States. Thank you, sir. That's a question I like. That's true.
Yeah, that's not a question. I guess it's your favorite kind of question, a compliment. But rest easy, Americans, if there's one thing we all know, it's that first they come for the undocumented migrants. And as long as nobody speaks out, they stop.
You mentioned that you're open to deporting individuals that aren't foreign aliens but criminals to El Salvador. Does that include potentially U.S. citizens fully naturalized immigrants?
If it's a homegrown criminal, I have no problem. I'm talking about really bad people. Really bad people.
He's going to do that to U.S. citizens. I think the hosts of The View are about to get administratively errored. I gotta tell you, I did not think he would get this authoritarian this.
Say hi, Bella.
I really did. I'm sorry. Who could have known? Maybe if somebody out there had yelled at me on Blue Sky about this, I would have known. But no one did. Except every day. In all that. So I guess the question is, how authoritarian is he? I don't accept your pity, Claude. Now, luckily for us, the world is full of authoritarian leaders that we can measure Trump against. Your Putins, your Xi's, your Anna Winters. So if Trump can put up a monster authoritarian sport, you know what? Let's do this Dave Portnoy style. One clip, everybody knows the rule, by the way. The greatest pizza reviews in the history of pizza. If you guys like pizza, for me, it's like watching porn. We already know. Trump's done a lot of the standard fare. He's attacked the free press, pulled random people off the streets, made law firms and universities bend the knee, announced Department of Justice investigations into an individual who sold